Want to keep your kids focused and their screen time under control? Here's how to use parental controls on your Cozyla Calendar Plus 2. First, tap the app library to see all your apps and navigate to the Parental Control app. Log in with your email account. This creates a secure profile so only you can change parental settings. Next, set a 4-digit PIN. Choose something easy for you to remember, but hard for little ones to guess. You'll use this code anytime you want to change settings for parental control. Approve all the access and permission requests and tap Confirm. Now, customize your child's experience. Turn allowed apps on or off to decide what they can access. Then set time limits or a schedule for when the device can be used. This keeps screen time healthy and focused on what matters. When you're done, exit parental control. Only enabled apps can be accessed. That's it. Now you know how to use parental controls with your Cozyla account. With parental control, your Cozyla Calendar Plus 2 helps your kids build healthy screen habits and gives you peace of mind. Make sure to explore features that can make your family's life easier and more connected. To learn more, check out other feature-specific setup videos in the description. And if you ever need help, don't hesitate to reach out to help@cozyla.com. Our customer support team will be happy to assist you. Cozyla, your family organizer.